Hey guys, welcome to today's video. For today's video, we are having an A through Z letter scavenger hunt. And so what I've done is I've just gotten note cards, postcards, and written the letter on it. I have the capital letter and the little letter, lowercase letter on all of the note cards. And what are we doing, Sophia?
We're going on a scavenger hunt to find the food.
Yes, and that's our word that we're working on is find. So that's our target word is find because we are finding different items that start with the different letters, aren't we? And so this is a great activity to work on vocabulary. It's also a movement, gross motor activity, which is super high interest. And we have gotten letters A through L. And our next letter, what's our next one, Sophie?
M.
M. So what do we have to do?
Find something that starts with M.
We have to go find something that starts with M. So how about you can go get an M object. All right, so this is super great for working on vocabulary. Like I said, it's also great for working on your letters and letter sounds. I am able to let Sophia just go and find different things, but depending on your child or student and their level, you could also have a group of objects and hide them in just like one room where they can go and find those objects in that room and then match them to what letter they start with as well. Okay, so there's different ways that you could do this activity to accommodate your child. And right now, I am just waiting on Sophia to get back with our M object. But words that you could provide aided language input for are definitely the verbs. What did you find?
A mitten.
Yes, you found a mitten. All right. What is our next letter?
N.
N. So we need to go and find an object that starts with the letter N. That's fine. All right. So, and if you needed to, you could also provide examples. Try and prompt them by going to groups like, do we have an animal that starts with the letter N? Or do we have an art object or food that starts with the letter N to help them out if they would need that as well? But lots of questions with what or where will we find our animal that starts with an N? You could provide aided language input for also with the pronouns with I found, or you could say you found, or look, you got it. The verbs with find and get, go are very popular with this activity. You could also work in prepositions by talking about where the item was placed whenever you're going on the hunt with them. If you want to make it more accessible, you could also just always use a low-tech board if you're going around with them, or you can carry the AAC system with them as well. It all just depends on your students' level and what kind of access needs they have. Yes, Luke, do you have our letter E? What was our letter E? Our letter E was a
egg.
Egg. That's right. Egg starts
Open.
with the letter E. Nope, we're not going to open the egg. We're not going to crack it open. All right, so there's an activity that you could do with your child using their AAC system. You can go on an alphabet scavenger hunt. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe below.